Hey guys, this is open box review and validation test for KBT rechargeable 12 volts lithium ion battery. I bought this for my home DIY project. Let's open it up to see what's included in the package. The blue is rechargeable battery. Here's the charger. Here's everything including the box. Let's start from the menu. It shows how to charge your rechargeable battery and also show different model and the different parts number. And here's the charger. You see the specs. Here's adapter. The battery is a 1200 milliamp hour. It's pretty good quality, pretty good volume. That is the wire connector. Put the trigger up. You see the tint wire tip. I really like it. Put the trigger down and you get it very secured. Let's charging the rechargeable battery. The green LED when it shows it's ready to charge. And put the charger connector. Now you are charging. The size here is a US quarter, so it's pretty pocket size. It's weighted about 5.55 ounce, pretty light. Let's do the voltage test. It shows voltage about 12.21. Let's do the short circuit test. If you short circuit, positive, negative, the voltage becomes 0. And now slowly, if you separate them back to the 12.21 volts. I'm gonna do the resistor test. I have this resistor about 100 kilo ohm. Let's put those voltage across resistor is still the same, 12.21 volts. It's pretty good overall. It's a good buy. I really like this wire connector, very convenient. Recharge battery, 5-star from me. It's a good usage. That's my review. Thank you.